I'm playing my game right now, and let me clear out a couple levels here. And so this is level 3. And once I get to level 3, I've got my game set currently just to play infinite levels. So I just end up playing this exact same level over and over and over again. And that might be nice if we're doing something to increase difficulty every level. And maybe you want it like that. A lot of the classic arcade games are infinite levels. But you might also want to make it so that there's some kind of like maybe a final boss level or something like that. And then you actually get to a stage where you win the game. So let's go take a look at how we do that. Um, so I'm going to go down here to where our start level function is, just to kind of refresh how it works. Right. So these are the different levels I coded. And then notice how here, instead of saying the level is equal to 3, I said just greater than or equal to 3. And that's how it picks. So that's why we just keep playing that level over and over again. So let's say instead I want level 3 to be my win level. What I want to do is go down to my game logic here, and this is the part where I'm checking to see, if a level ends. And so the first thing I'm going to do is go in here to this. Let's see. This is when I clear a level. If the length of the enemies is 0, then then normally we just bump up the level and then start a new one again. But I want to do something else, and this is I'm going to say if level, or I'll say player.level is equal to 3, then we're going to set the stage to a win stage. And then I'll just else we'll advance to the next level. Okay. So we'll go back up here to our stages. And right now I don't have a win stage. So I'm just going to add a new stage called win. I'll just set it equal to 3. Again, the numbers don't really mean anything over here. It's just we want to have these constants have different values. So they don't even need to be numbers. They could be anything as long as they're different. Okay. And then we need something to happen when we're in the win screen. So just like down here, so at the bottom, I've got a start screen and I've got my end screen, and I'm just going to have one that says stage is equal to win. And I guess at this point I probably should make a win screen. And so where did I do that? Here's my start screen, here's my end screen. I'm just going to take my end screen and copy it and make it a win screen. And we'll just change the text to you win. Okay. Now you can do something much more elaborate than this. I would hope that when you make your game, you have something elaborate with something graphical going on. Okay, you could even maybe try to animate something. So some kind of good picture rather than just some plain text. But we're going to keep it simple for this video. And let's see if this works. So I'm going to go play and clear 3 levels. There's 1 level. All right, and we won the game. Okay. One of the things that we may want to do is, so we're going to go into here. Let's see. This is if stage is not equal to start. We might want to change this to, we might want to modify this to, because maybe we don't want all this stuff to update while the game, once we win. That depends. You can do what you want. But the other problem we have is, like right now, I've kind of put myself in a situation because I can't restart the game. And so we're going to have to go into here. It's like, LF stage equals end. We're checking for the key of R. And let's just do or stage is equal to win. And now we should be able to actually get out of the game when we clear the level. Okay, so we won. And you can see, we should probably stop the lasers from hurting us, once we've won the game. And Okay, and now I can actually get out of the restart the game, so all the keyboard stuff works. One last little thing that I kind of don't like is, maybe my stage names start to not make sense. And so, I've got end and win, and I think I'm going to go and change this to lose. And so that means I'm just going to have to go find everywhere I wrote the word end, and I'll put lose in there instead. So this will be my lose screen. And I'll go to the top, and I'll change this to lose. And let's see if there's anywhere else in the logic I might have. See if you see the word end anywhere. End if stage equals lose. This is when the playership is killed. It's lose. And I hope that's all of them. And I think the only way really to find out at this point is just to, test. And I'll go ahead and lose and make sure that everything is okay. Let's see. End screen is not defined. Yeah, there's my last thing to fix. So we're right here, and end screen. So we'll change that to the lose screen. And I think we should be good to go now. So just until I win and make sure everything works there. Okay. So now, hopefully this gives you some ideas. And again, do something creative with the win screen. You could do better than just put text on there. Have fun with it. Play it. You could probably figure out how to play, some different music or something like that also on the stage. All right. So that is it for this video. And let me know if you have any questions.